asuntoketju Aarensalta.
Today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja, Raappavuorenkuja kind of name stickies, and this is the next stickies to be filmed, and this is the next, but I think this door is quite heavy here. Platforms here, it was built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, 50 years old, and next year 2022. The museum number is 2882. And capacity swappers are 320 cars with 5 floors, that's around it. The stickies ABS have 6 floors.
Yeah.
So they are even more amazing, but all of them have to be filmed.
Yeah.
Because he was also quite weird because it had also originally different font on the doors, but here it's all the same.
Yeah. Inspektiert kiva maintained by Suomen East Eurocoin.
Yeah. And that's it, thank you very much for watching. And you can of course watch all the staircases in the residential building here as well.
That's